Hello, welcome to the channel. So I created a script specifically aimed at people working in game audio and then specifically people that are working with FMOD Studio. So I was running into a situation where I had to import a whole bunch of audio files at once, and I decided to create my own batch import audio script. So the link to the GitHub is in the description below. So what does this script do? Well, it allows you to import a folder, and it will actually preserve the folder structure. Then import all the audio files, and then check with the naming convention that I created for the audio files whether to create a loop region for that sound, or make it 2D, make it 3D, create a multi, create a scatter, stuff like that. So the installation instructions and how to use it and all of the explanations are all down here on the GitHub page. But for now, let me just demonstrate it to you. So after you install the script, you should now have a menu entry right here that says script. So click the Sinus batch import audio files script. This will present you with a dialog in which, well, it shows you the naming conventions. There's also an option that if your event already exists, to either skip it, overwrite it, or rename it. You can preview to do a dry run, and then the import button to actually import everything. So let's click Browse. I prepared a folder on my desktop called Samples. It has a bunch of subfolders, 2D, 2D loop, 2D multi, 3D sounds, 3D loop, 3D multi, and 3D scatter. So let's just import the samples directory here. Now, if you click preview, it will show you what it will do. So let's click import and see if it worked. So it found 50 audio files, and it will create 26 events out of this. The conflict mode is skip. So let's continue with the import. Yes. So basically, any file that doesn't have a naming convention will create a single event with that file in it. So I have my sound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, creating 5 different single events. Then as soon as I add a underscore loop suffix at the end of the file, it will create a loop region automatically that is the same size as the audio file itself. Then for multis, if you add a underscore multi underscore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to files that have the same file name, then it will automatically populate that within a single multi-instrument. So for example, right here I have sound 1, multi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here I have sound 2, multi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you want to add a spatializer on the master channel of your event, you need to add the suffix underscore 3D to the file, and then it will automatically add that spatializer to the master. Now you can also combine these suffixes, or suffixes, I think. So for example, right here I have a loop enabled, but I also have spatializer on the master channel. So you do that by adding underscore loop underscore 3D to your file. Same goes for multis. So I have files with the same file name, so sound 1, and then underscore multi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then underscore 3D. These will all be populated into a single multi-instrument, and then there will be a spatializer added to the master channel of your event. And the same goes for scatter. So it creates a scatter instrument, and for this you need to add underscore scat underscore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then underscore 3D. So I hope this is helpful to you. It is very helpful to me. So yeah, cheers.